Got the top, man, come check out the new top, man. This the fabric for the new top. That's the vinyl, the orange vinyl, the leather vinyl, marine vinyl top. Just the trim pieces, man. I'm gonna get my paint, man, to paint all this orange, all that blue orange. But yeah, that's what we doing today, man. As y'all can see, I got all the pieces for that. From the trim, man, to check out the top. And I also got all those little pieces in there too, man. So yeah, then we also checking on the cutlers at the same time. So that's what today video gonna be about. But yeah, man, it's all the old vinyl, the leather vinyl top that used to be on there. That's the new. But yeah, man, that's what we doing. I'm gonna turn y'all back on once we get in the car. Yeah, what's up, YouTube, man? I did say I was gonna turn y'all back on once I get in the car. So I'm in the car now, as y'all can see. Y'all see the stuff back there. But what I want y'all to do is, man, I want y'all to subscribe, like, comment, turn on all post bell notifications, you know, so y'all can see what I'm doing, man. But yeah, I'm really getting this car right. Y'all gonna see it right like in no time, man. But I really appreciate y'all, everybody, for watching the video. I really appreciate y'all, man, and for commenting. I read all the comments or whatever, but I really appreciate it, man. But I'm just gonna keep this good content coming for y'all. And yeah, man, we on our way to the shop now, so the trim man could look at the top, so he could go in there and get it done and check out the cutlers, man. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned. We heading there now, so we'll be there shortly, man. I had to turn off the music and stuff. But yeah, y'all just stay tuned, man. I'll be right back. Yeah, we out here, man. We're in Lincoln. Day. Low key. These streets, baby. We head to the shop. On right there. I need to stop by there. We got a lot of stuff I need to get out of there. Yeah, I just want to give y'all a little view, you know. Yeah, man. Turn y'all on when we get there. Yeah, YouTube, man. We pulling up to the shop right now. First thing I see is the cutty. Nice sunny day out here, man. Right now we just waiting on the trim man to shimmer paint, man. These trim pieces real quick, y'all. Put that down real quick. There, y'all. We got the trim man pulled up, top man. He telling me I got a bullshit Alright, what's up, YouTube, man? I had to go to the run to the ATM and grab the money real quick for them because my top man, he actually gave me a good deal to do it now. So I went on here. I'm gonna go ahead and get it done right now. So yeah, man, I had to run to the ATM, but I'm gonna turn y'all right back on as soon as I get back out here and show y'all what he doing. Yep.